O ihr kleine Lichterlech,
ihr erzählt Geschichtelech,
Meisterlech und so. Ihr erzählt von Blutigkeit,
Bergeschaft und Mutigkeit,
Wunder von Amor, Wunder von Amor.
Well, one thing I remember about Hanukkah, and it's very different than the way Hanukkah has become, because Hanukkah has been following more of the Christmas tradition as the years went by, and all the advertising and all the expensive toys and all the things that, made a big deal of it. But when I was a little girl growing up, my mother made a little velvet little pouch for me, a little drawstring, not big, and the tradition was that everyone who came into the house put some coins into my little velvet little bag. And I can remember how every night, how excited I was and how I anticipated counting my coins.
Hanukkah was special because when I say we, I mean all the grandchildren, would line up by age. And my cousin Sherwin was the oldest, I was second, and we'd line up and my grandfather would hand out silver dollars. And that was Hanukkah gelt, and he believed in that, in the stories about giving Hanukkah gelt, and he gave Hanukkah gelt. I did say to him one day, Grandpa, I noticed that Sherwin got 2 silver dollars and everybody else only got 1. Why? And he said to me, look, he's the oldest. It has to be recognized. So he got 2 and everybody else got 1. And there were 13 of us, so it was not inexpensive for him to give out silver dollars.
We were so poor, this is like this almost this joke of that for Hanukkah, we didn't have a menorah. We didn't have a menorah. And you could buy a menorah for like 29 cents. They were little, made out of tin, that just bent into the shape of a little back and the 8 little circles and the shamas. We took a Sanka coffee box, turned it upside down, and we took the candles, all of these orange candles, and we would put them around the outer edge of the box over the 8 days of Hanukkah. That's the way we observed Hanukkah.
Danach habe ich lieb gehabt Hanukkah, weil Hanukkah gilt. Das Seide pflegen wir geben. Das Seide ist, ein Seide ist mir geblieben von der Mamas Zeit. Pflegen wir auf Hanukkah, geben wir Dreier, dreikorpiges, Pflegen wir Salten in der Hand, immer drehen, bis ich habe es gepackt. So.
It was a challenge raising children as Jews, especially since I had no formal Jewish background. But I made an enormous thing out of Hanukkah for them. And it was not an important holiday. It was difficult because their little friends on the street were all Christian. Christmas was an enormous thing. And I wanted them to see it as positive, but I couldn't make them part of it. So, you would laugh. You would really laugh. I invented a Hanukkah angel. And the Hanukkah angel would leave a poem under the menorah, under the Chanukiah, the menorah. And that would be a clue to where the presents were. And they would take off. And I didn't wrap the presents. They were just waiting in these places. And their friends thought that was great. They thought that was the best thing.
I got socks every single night. I feel like this is a really typical experience where your parents will buy packs of socks or underwear or fun socks, socks with the toes in them or colors, and then every night of Hanukkah you get a different kind of sock. My mother would do that a lot, which I was always really oh, thanks. I don't wear these kinds of socks, but it's cute, it's still meaningful.
When I went off to Ireland, I actually, my junior year, I went off to Trinity College in Dublin and had Jewish identity crisis because there were not many Jews there. And I had thought to bring a menorah because I wasn't going to be able to come home for Hanukkah. And I lit a menorah. I remember lighting a menorah and no one knowing what that was. I was in a dorm and it had a communal kitchen, and I would bring it in, and while I was making my dinner, I'd light the candles, and a friend would come in and say, "Oh, what's that?" And I'd tell her the story of Hanukkah. And the next person would come in and ask, "Whoa, what's that?" And the first person, "Oh, let me tell, I learned this new thing about Hanukkah." And I made latkes. And I go, okay, this is this traditional Jewish food you eat at Hanukkah, potato pancakes, and it's potato and onion and egg, and you fry it up. And I gave it to my friends, and they looked at me and said, "You have come to the land of potato. This is Jewish. Of course we make this." So I didn't realize it's an Irish dish, because they have made potatoes every which way for hundreds of years.
Oi, ihr kleine Lichterlach, ihr erzählt Geschichtelach, Meisterlach von amol. Ihr erzählt von Mutigkeit, Bergerschaft und Blutigkeit.
Wunder von amol, wenn ich seh euch schminklendig, kommt a Cholim finklendig, rett an alter Träum. Jid du hast geschickt amol, jid du hast gesickt amol, ach wie tief das rührt.
O ihr kleine Lichterlech,
a jede Geschichtelech,
wecken auf mein Pein. Tief in Herz bewegt es sich,
und mit Tränen fragt es sich,
was wird jetzt der sein? Was wird jetzt der sein?